Hey guys, Carly Voinski from carlyvoinski.com, and today we're at the beach and we are going to show you about how I stay keto friendly when hanging on the beach all day, and normally all you eat are bagels and hoagies or subs or heroes, wherever you're from, whatever you call it, and chips and snacks and all that kind of stuff. So when we go sit down, I'll show you what we did today to stick with our keto friendly way of eating. Okay, so far today I woke up, I had a coffee with keto cream. That's all I had to eat. And then on the way here, I made my ketone and brought it with me. Ketones are greater than glucose, it's awesome. So I have that with me, and then obviously we're bringing a lot of water. So normally in the past, snacking wise, what do you snack on? You snack on chips and all that kind of stuff. Instead, we stopped at Wawa, we got like a little bit of a trail mix. Now this is higher in carbs because it's listed as having cranberries and stuff in it. You can find one that doesn't and just bring like nuts and seeds and things like that, just to have a little bit of something salty and crunchy with you while you're there. Also, I know some of you guys like pork rinds. I'm not a huge fan of just eating those by themselves, but you can definitely bring that with some of your dips in like a little container that you wanted. However, I'm super excited about lunch, and when we get to lunch, I'll show you exactly what we did and I'll tell you where we went, and I'm sure if there's a place like this near you that you can do it too, and you can even make it at home. So when we get to lunch, I will show you that. Hey guys, okay, so pretty much the whole family is done by the water, so it was a good time to like hop on and tell you about lunch. So we went to Jersey Mike's, which is a sub place where we live, and they're like nationwide, so I'm sure you have them. And they have these things called tubs. So we got our kids a sandwich and they're all gonna split it, but instead of John and I getting a sandwich, we got a number 9, which is roast beef, turkey, bacon, provolone, and instead of on a sandwich, we got it in a tub, which is basically a container, and it has all the ingredients. So all of that in there. And I looked up the nutritional value, and the carbs were 10. However, that includes it with mayo, and we didn't get mayo. We got oil and vinegar, so I'm sure they use probably a sugary mayo. So I know the carbs are probably less than that, and we're splitting it between the two of us. So that's what we're doing. When we open it up, I'm gonna take some pictures for you so you can see what it actually looks like. And I'm super stoked about it because we pulled up to Jersey Mike's and I really still wanted something. You know, I didn't want to have to sacrifice my enjoyment with my family and on the beach and the whole thing, and that's just how I grew up, was eating Jersey Mike's on the beach. And it's really cool how everyone is now giving options for people like us who are eating lower carb and not really eating lots of big bread items and all of that. So there are different things that you can do, which I think is super encouraging and exciting for us as we go about our summer. And I hope that you guys find alternatives for the stuff that you love too. I'm really happy that we're finding that, and we're having a great, awesome day at the beach. So if you enjoyed this video, then please go ahead and like it, and would you subscribe if you haven't already? And go ahead also and visit carlyvoinski.com. There's tons of keto information. There's also just lifestyle information, and I would love to get to know you guys better. So go ahead and use those connect buttons down below in the video description, and I'll talk to you guys later.